Back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account in 2026. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform where you can connect with professionals, find jobs, build your career, and showcase your skills. The sign-up process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn.com or open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. On the home page, click or tap Join Now ** or Sign Up *. Next, enter your email address. Make sure you use an email account that you can access because LinkedIn may send you a verification email. You can also choose to sign up using your Google or Apple account if those options are available. Now, create a strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Then click Continue **. On the next screen, enter your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear on your professional profile. After that, select your country or region and enter your location if prompted. LinkedIn will now ask for some career information. You can enter your current job title if you have one, or choose that you're a student or currently looking for work. Then enter your company or school name if applicable. Next, verify your email address. Open the verification email sent by LinkedIn. Click the verification link, or enter the code if you're asked to do so. Once your email is verified, your LinkedIn account will be successfully created. After signing in, you can start setting up your profile by adding a profile photo, writing a professional headline, adding your work experience, education, and skills. Completing your profile helps you get better networking and job opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully created your LinkedIn account in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn